Welcome to Cars&TechSG YouTube channel. If you like this YouTube, please give us a like. So, firstly, I need to thank BYD Singapore for lending us the car for a car review today. So, which car are we going to do a review? It's actually the BYD Atto 3. BYD, aka the Yuan Plus, is actually building your dreams on their EV platform. And this car has been a widely anticipated car since its launch in mid-2022. Pure electric SUV that is built on BYD's e-Platform 3.0 with its own high-blade battery technology. It has an internal battery component that is a lithium iron phosphate battery. The battery capacity of 60.5 kilowatt per hour and is able to charge from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes using the DC charger port. It comes with a capacity of 440 litre and is able to extend out further by pushing down the back seats. You can change your baby's diapers too if you want. There is 2 side pockets which you can put your small barangs. It has a tailgate function too. There's an NFC lock and you can unlock the car using an NFC keycard. Now let's check out the exterior view. The idea behind the headlight designs comes from the Dragon Eyes. It houses slim-looking full LED headlights, which are the trend these days with a chrome strip which will reflect light at night across the whole bonnet. The glossy design of the fog grills adds on an additional sportiness to the front view. The contours around the wheel arch as well as the doors on the sides added more points to aesthetic judgment. The wheels of the car comes in an 18-inch tires, and the design of the rims is also uniquely BYD. The rear view of the car is a combi of sporty and elegance. It has a gorgeous LED strip across the boot along with the dynamic signal indicators, which I really love it. Looking at the dashboard, besides the white muscle fiber design, we have this curved contour design that can make it stand out, and the feel is pretty good. There is a 12.8-inch infotainment console which is rotatable based on your preference. You will use it to control the functions of your car such as your navigation, aircon, drive mode, radio, and more. It also comes with voice assistant feature, which allows you to activate it by saying, "Hi BYD," and command the car to do some actions for you accordingly. Not forgetting this D-shaped steering wheel that adds on to the sporty feel and handling of the car. It also has various feature buttons on it, such as cruise control, volume, adjusting screen orientation, and even making phone calls. There is also a mini info screen on the front eye view of the driver's side that shows you some important general information, such as the battery life, speedometer, range, and your tire pressure. Check out the door level which is embedded with the speaker here that comes with the ambient light. The gear lever makes the driver feel like he is pushing an airplane to flying off with its full thrust. As for the main controls of the vehicle, the buttons here are of premium metallic feel, and the start button has a unique design as well, compared to the conventional solid color start button. We also have here a comfortable armrest, together with ample storage space below it, which you can even store 4 drinking water bottles. Here's another storage space with USB ports and the usual 12V port. Now, how do you unlock the door? Here we go! Unique, isn't it? The design of the door, I would say, is a bold move by BYD and proves they're ambitious to bring their dream idea out. We have the guitar strings, which is also a holder for your door pocket storage compartment. The standard window controls, coupled with the door locking buttons. The interior cabin lighting of this Atto 3 are white in color and touch activated. Isn't it cool? Here are the controls of the moonroof as well. Apologize if you are not able to see the retraction due to the sun. Check out the legroom and headroom for the rear seats. I'm about 1.69 meter tall and I still have ample moving area to stretch and adjust the seats easily. Now let's check out what you can do with this 12.8-inch infotainment screen. Switching the orientation, performing the necessary required functions such as accessing the built-in front and back video recorder, navigation, Spotify, etc. And of course, the basic functions, the phone, radio, and music. Look at this 360 cam, which you can see the overview of the surroundings of a car, especially it has a comprehensive parking aid. We also can adjust the display settings like your brightness, theme, the internet function, adjusting the audio quality, update your software, maintaining your apps, and configuring the safety features of the car. You can also check out the energy consumption and battery configurations here. Here you can configure your ambient lighting colors, mirrors, aircon like your fan speed and the direction of the fan. Now, this is something interesting. This car actually has an inbuilt air purifying system. Well, you can enjoy cleaner cabin air quality throughout your ride because it has an auto purification function which it detects any poor air quality. Well, after spending a few days with this lovely EV, I'm pretty satisfied with the overall performance of this car. I love the sleek design and the safety features that comes together, which makes me feel really secure. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to bring you more reviews in the near future. See ya!